In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Trust Wallet customer support efficiently. Whether you're seeking assistance with a specific issue or just looking for some guidance, these clear and thorough steps will help you navigate through the process. First, you'll want to start by opening your Trust Wallet app. Once you've accessed the app, you'll notice a variety of features on the home screen. This includes options such as sending, swapping funds, selling, and, of course, viewing your tokens. Familiarizing yourself with these options is helpful as you use the wallet more frequently. Now, to reach out to customer support, you'll need to head over to the Settings menu. Look for the gear icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, which is where you'll find Settings. Once you've clicked on the settings, take your time to scroll down until you spot the option labeled Help and Support. Selecting Help and Support is your gateway to finding the assistance you need. Click on it and you'll then see the option for Help Center. This is designed to guide you to a comprehensive support page where many common questions and issues are addressed. Once you're on the Help Center page, you'll find a search bar prominently displayed. This is where you can type in your specific concern or question. The system is designed to provide you with relevant articles and solutions based on your input, so be as clear and precise as possible. Additionally, as you browse through the Help Center, you'll notice a variety of topics already listed. These cover a wide range of common concerns and might already have the solution you're looking for. If you spot a topic that matches your concern, simply click on it. This will take you through a detailed step-by-step process to address and resolve your issue. This methodical approach is structured to guide you to the resolution of your issue efficiently. So, by following these steps and utilizing the available resources, you can feel confident in getting the help you need from Trust Wallet's customer support. Remember, the more specific you are with your query, the easier it will be to find the appropriate solution. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any further questions or need more details, feel free to explore the Trust Wallet support page for additional insights and assistance. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your crypto management.